Hey y'all, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig sent from Klaiyi hair. Just in case you guys are interested, like always, be sure to check my description box for links to this wig. So right here, I'm just showing you the goodies that came along with this wig. And they sent me over this 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots Yaki straight wig. And it does come with a drawstring. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. I'm not sure the density, but it's a nice full Yaki textured wig. The good thing I like about this, and look at the hairline, y'all, like come on now. So let me show you the construction first. It does have two combs in the front, a comb in the back. It also comes with the adjustable straps. Here's the drawstring I was telling you about, and this is good for if you want to wear this wig glueless. You tighten that bad boy on up, and I'm telling you, this wig is not going anywhere. But as far as the texture is so good, y'all. Not overly crinkly. I think the overly crinkly comes with that, what is it called, the kinky straight wigs is overly crinkly. This one is just like a Yaki straight texture, which mimics natural hair so well. And as you can see, look at that hairline. So I did cut off some excess lace because it was a little bit too much for me. And here I am tightening up that drawstring so you can see the effect that it gives for this wig, because as soon as I tightened it up, like the lace was stuck. It was not going anywhere. Even though I still went in with Got to Be Glue. I don't know. Lately I just been wanting to take my wigs down, even though it's like, come on now. They giving you all these glueless wigs and you still want to use Got to Be Glue. I know y'all. But for y'all, because y'all don't have to do what I do. So for y'all, come on, get into the glueless wig, because that thing tightened the wig up so good. And now that I'm looking back at it, I'm like, why did you even have to use that? You just being too extra at this point. But anyway, I do go in with the Got to Be Glue just to tack the lace down some more. And I would suggest taking it easy when it comes to tightening that drawstring up, because I did tighten it a little bit too tight. Now when it comes to this wig and styling it, I don't do much. I wore it as a side part and I think it turned out good. I went in and I straightened it with my flat irons, and one swipe was good enough. When I say this hair is delicious, y'all, this hair was so soft, such good quality. I really appreciate the quality of this wig, and it just looking really natural. To me, it was a 10 out of 10. I will say, because this wig is so full, you want to make sure you flatten it out as much as you can, because sometimes it can appear like you are wearing a wig. So I tried to flatten it out as much as I can, because I knew that it was a pretty thick wig, and sometimes it gives off just like wiggy, if that makes any sense. So be careful with that, especially with these thick wigs. And right here I'm going in with my flat irons, and one swipe is all you need, and this hair is straightened so beautifully. I do go in and curl it just so you can see how it looks curled as well. And of course, because this is a Yaki texture wig, it held the curl very well. And for the curls, I just curled it with my flat irons as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you are interested, make sure you check my description box down below and hop on these deals that they have for the holidays. Also, happy Thanksgiving to you guys, just in case, you know, I don't put out a video before then. So yeah, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy holidays to you.